Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your exact Minecraft edition and platform so you target the right sign-in flow. Next, sign into the Microsoft Store or Xbox app with the same Xbox account you'll use in Minecraft. This pre-authorizes the session. Once done, open Minecraft and pick the profile sign-in prompt. The game will redirect to the Microsoft/Xbox authentication flow. Make sure your device clock is accurate, and your network allows outbound HTTPS to Microsoft services to avoid token issues. Continue by completing the Microsoft Sign-In Challenge presented by Minecraft. Enter your Xbox account credentials and any two-factor code promptly. If the Xbox app handled the sign-in, verify it shows the same account and accept any permission prompts. This links the Xbox profile to Bedrock. Once you submit, the game exchanges tokens in the background. Do not close the browser or app windows. If the process stalls, use the retry button in Minecraft rather than restarting the entire app to preserve the partial session. Finish by checking the Minecraft main menu for the signed in as plus your gamertag message so you know authentication succeeded. If you don't see it, sign out of Minecraft, the Xbox app, and the Microsoft Store, then clear their caches or app data and sign in again. Make sure to restart the console or PC after reinstalling any app. One key troubleshooting tip: sync your device clock to network time. Authentication tokens commonly fail when the system time is off, so correct that and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.